Hi, you're here with Robbie from Tasmanian Motorcycle Warehouse, soon to be renamed the House of Motorcycles. We've gone through and done a new YouTube channel. Basically, with the coronavirus and the things that have happened recently, the virtual side of our business has had to really step up. So this is our way of introducing you to our virtual store. We'll be doing walk-arounds on bikes, so you don't even need to come and see us if you don't want to, but you'll still get to hear my voice, you'll still get to see my ugly looking head. So come on in and have a look at our store. We'll do another one of these when our new store's built, and that will be in the next 6 months or so. That building will be ready to go. So we still have our wreckers department. We don't have them in the side sheds anymore because we're building, but we do still have them. So if you do need something for the wreckers, we've got still whole bikes together that you can pilfer stuff off, and we also have our wreckers that, you know, where they're being pulled down and they're all out the back. We've got a huge range of dirt bikes still, huge range of demo bikes and new bikes. So come on in and have a look. We do still have a full range of on-road and off-road gear and accessories for ATVs, UTVs, and plus all your dirt bike and road bike needs, as well as our new motorcycles and used motorcycles. So upstairs at the moment we have our used motorcycles. So we have a wide range, you know, from cruisers, sports bikes, Lambs bikes, Royal Enfields, and of course our wreckers. So thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting your local business. Thanks for supporting Richardson's Harley Davidson, Tasmanian Motorcycle Warehouse, and of course our new name, House of Motorcycles. I look forward to seeing you in the store. If you're not coming in the store and you are just contacting us virtually, that's also fine, and I look forward to hearing from you then too.